So I forgot to film an intro again, so we're gonna hop right into the video. Didn't set my drag, first cast, backlash, no, nothing like it, baby. Fish on. It's big, yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty good one. Big striper. No, he's got me snagged up. There he is, yeah. What is, oh, it's a walleye, my bad. He had me around that rock so it felt bigger. There we go. Whew. Yeah, he had me around that rock, then I was reeling it through the rock. See, it felt like something bigger. That's still a good one. Oh. So, GoPro's on. Tighten up my drag. I just about put my finger in its mouth.
That's a bad idea.
That would have been a horrible idea. It might be a saw guy. Yeah, it's a saw guy. See all the dots on him? There you go, guys. I cast out of the current, let take it way down, and I was reeling it. So I'm pretty sure I was fighting a backlash. Do you have pliers? Never mind.
Need them?
No, I got it. Can you snap a picture real quick there? I'm just gonna chuck this net right back there. That's a good little saw guy.
Right on the other side.
Yeah. We'll get a good release on this guy. Yeah. I was just reeling, then it started feeling like dead weight. I set the hook, then he started fighting. He didn't really bite real good. He just like stopped it. That's what I did. Yeah, I thought I snagged and I pulled on and I felt the head shake. So my dad actually ended up catching this little largemouth, but for some reason, my GoPro was stuck in a time lapse, but here's that clip. So we tried another spot. We actually ended up traveling 20 miles upriver by the end of the day. Still no luck. We just ended up with them 2 fish, but thank you for watching.